Alright, it's 20 past 7, the 14th of October 2019. Okay, and here's the SAT-24 image, although it's not a satellite, it's a composite image of, from data taken from high altitude balloons, because there aren't any satellites. Okay, and if you're not seeing the steam being generated, okay, from whatever cooling towers, or just simply a wet surface air cooler, there we go. Well, you can see they're all Algeria, Spain, France, might be even sunk in the sea, or I don't know. So that's what gave the rain all day. Okay, and this is all the shitty white sky we've had all day. Now it's blowing off towards Scandinavia there, you see. It's looking like we're going to have a clear patch for the night. Ridiculously so. We're not allowed any sunshine at all, but it will be much clearer for the night, and no doubt this shite here, that'll be for tomorrow morning, just as the sun rises, and the sun will be blocked out again. Okay, so what happens here? See all the steam generated, yeah? If there's no shit in the sky to catch it at low altitude, it's all 10,000 feet, all this sun blocking screen is 10,000 feet, okay? If that isn't there to catch it, for the droplets to form around all the toxic pollution they've created up there, the mess, so then it rains, there's other things they do, isn't there? There's the little smaller fleets of planes, they can cloud seed, and they also do the burning reaction to get it to drop, right? Okay, if that's how they get it to rain. So if it isn't caught in the horrible whited out pollution sunblock screen they create every freaking day, it seems now, what will happen is it will just, because that's the only thing that's changed. It was coal burning all day, yeah, and that made huge clouds, right, which people took for natural. Okay, so it was natural because that's what everyone was used to, okay, but now it's switched to this. It's a disgusting chemical mix, makes you feel sick because of course it comes to the ground, yeah. So without that anyway, if they generated steam, here's your rain, here's your weather, yeah, without this shit they put in the air, what would happen is it would go up and up and up, much higher than the 10,000 feet all the cloud is at, and it would freeze into, I don't know, fist-sized hail basically, and it would come smashing down. You see, and that happened earlier this year, wasn't it? In Spain, isn't it? North part of Spain, it was all smashing down huge hails because they turned on their steam generators and there was no clouds. So there we go. It went all the way up, froze, and boom! There we go, smashing hail. Okay, so that's what you won't get rain without that shit. So that's it. Okay, well, that's the thing, isn't it? They could do if they. I mean, it's ridiculous. What's the point of rain? Yeah, with no sun. It's damp, cold, and nasty every freaking day. Well, what's the use of it? We need rain. What for? They're not growing anything, that's for sure. Again, then they'll go, oh, reservoirs. Yeah, well, we should be using well water, groundwater. That's what we should be using because it does come up naturally. But they don't like that, do they? So that's it, really. They could make it rain just at night and then have a nice sunny day, but no, it's the opposite most of the time. Yeah, and I'll make it. Actually, I won't upload this now. What I'm going to do, it seems to be clearing up. See, all this shit's going towards Scandinavia now. Yeah, they get it second hand. Okay, Blighty gets the horrible mix first. Okay, so there you go. It's already clearing up. Look, there we go. It's night time now. Almost, it's coming up to 7:30, and it's going to be significantly clearer skies. There you go. Cornwall clearing up. Ridiculous. All right, so it'll be well before midnight. I'll make another video, and you'll see. Okay, they're going to keep that. It looks like they're doing some spraying and manipulation there. They're going to hold this back. This shit. That's tomorrow's sky. Yeah. They're going to hold that back. Look, they're holding it back. They're spraying some aluminium, and they're going to hold it back with frequencies. Yeah, so it'll be clear sky overnight. Alright, these evil, vile monsters. And then for sunrise tomorrow, that will be in. Okay? This shit here. And then you won't get to see the sun again. The same thing. And that will go on, presumably, well, it could be forever. Who knows? From the kind of shit they're writing in science journals, yeah, they think they've got the right to make basically cancel all budget flights for people going on holiday. They're gonna destroy all those companies probably, and they're gonna take all those aircraft and turn them into sprayers. Yeah, they're writing absolute shit. They're saying, yep, we're gonna go really high up and spray sulfur. Yeah, rubbish. Yeah, bullshit. It's all spraying at 10,000 feet. Yeah, just like they're demonizing carbon. Oh, yeah, that's convenient. Just as coal is running out, now it's bad. Yeah, and then they want to make these machines to suck out CO2. Yeah, so they'll be getting carbon dust from the air. What do you think they're going to do with that? They say we're going to turn it into rock and put it in the ground. Yeah, you believe that shit? No, they're not. They're going to take that disgusting black soot, yeah, and they're going to spray it in the sky again. Yeah, that's what they're going to do. They've got to be stopped. This is mad. They're fucking psychos. They've got to be stopped. It's ridiculous. Alright, it's 7 minutes to 11 PM. And as you can see, it's moving off. That was the chemtrail toxic screen. So for the night, you're over Blighty, an island basically. Yeah. Clearer skies. It's not exactly clear though, but it's much clearer, and if it were daytime you would actually be able to spot the sun, as opposed to not being able to, you know, make out the circle of the sun at all through this shit. And then yeah, look, that hurricane system is still there. It's still the same one. They're using it as an engine to pull over their chem clouds, yeah? And that's what we're going to have in the morning. There we go. That's for sunrise. That's just going to be right on top of us probably. I mean, it looks like it's coming down right now, but all they'll do is, a few hours before sunrise, is spray some aluminium into that shit, fire off the frequencies, and just push it this way. I'm really sick of this. This nano-sized aluminium is gonna damage all our brains as well. But do they care? No. We've got evil psychopaths behind all this shit, and they don't care one bit.